Once again, we have another change of scenery.
All you ladies want to like this.
We are on our way to Nashville.
And you can kiss my cause I got friends in places. So I got one question for you.
This is going to be my first time in Nashville. This is going to be her how many times?
Like 5 or 6.
I thought it was like once or twice. But now the truth comes out. So she's going to be showing me around more or less. Super excited. Oh, we're at the LAX airport right now. We decided to make this little intro right now before we got too toasty because we have some time to kill before our plane actually takes off. So we have what, 4 or 5 hours, right?
Yeah, we're taking a red-eye flight, and when it arrived, it said 5 a.m. and I was like, cool. I didn't realize that was gonna be like 3 a.m. our time, so we're just gonna get there and we're just gonna rally. I've been building this tolerance and I'm gonna put it to use.
And I was actually kind of putting off drinking because I didn't want to start too early because I didn't want to pass out in the airport before our flight actually took off, because obviously that would be bad. Probably the next time that we talk to you, we'll be in Nashville. Hopefully.
Oh.
See you in a few.
Nashville, but it still felt like a dream.
Hello you all. We made it to Nashville and we had a successful night out downtown last night. It got the best of us. I'm not gonna lie about that. But what, it's 3 p.m. right now. We're just having our first meal. It took us a while to get around, being that we're not used to really going out, especially going out in Nashville. But all in all, it was a great time last night. We shut down a bar basically. Well, the bars here, they close at 3 a.m., which I had no idea. It was like 2 a.m. and we were still, well, her and I were the only ones in the bar at that time dancing. And then we went to another bar after that. It was pretty lively, would you say?
Yeah, it was like packed on every floor.
Yeah, it was packed, but we definitely were digging the feel of the first bar that we went to. Florida Georgia Line was the bar, and the band that was there, they killed it. And it's so crazy. They're so talented, and yet there weren't a lot of people in there. And that's just, it just goes to show in Nashville, like, great bands are a dime a dozen. There's just so many there. We went walking the street when we got into Nashville in the afternoon, and literally every bar that we passed had a live band playing, and they were amazing. So yeah, they're definitely spoiled when it comes to good music. I almost forgot to show you guys what our meal really consisted of, or what's left of our meal. Here, check this out. Oh yeah. So that's the remnants of what our meal was, but it was a really good, hearty, southern breakfast. Yeah, very, very hearty. But yeah, see you guys in a few. Okay, so after pancakes last night, we walked around the Gulch, and then it wasn't really planned. Then again, nothing else has been really planned. We walked from the Gulch to downtown, walked around downtown, pretty much walked 9 miles yesterday. Again, totally unplanned, but it did burn the breakfast and dinner and alcohol that we had consumed. So it was a win-win. We got the exercise, we got our drinking and eating taken care of,
And we danced one song.
And we danced one song, but I mean, it was perfect. It was a nice little slow dance to end the evening. So yesterday was definitely a success. Today, we had another late start because I had to do client emails in the morning. And then we had a late breakfast at Honey Milk, right?
Milk and honey.
Milk and honey. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't good. Another one of those trendy, super trendy spot in Nashville. No need to go there. It's super basic, if you want to put it like that. And then today it was really cool. When in Rome, we did some moonshine tasting. Now, in regard to the moonshine tasting, we went to YEEHAW Brewery. What is it? Old Smoky
It's like
Distillery?
YEEHAW. It's 6th and Peabody is what it's called, and it's YEEHAW Brewery and Old Smoky Moonshine combined forces.
Really rad place. There's a lot of games going on, and we are in the South, so it was really cool as far as the atmosphere there. Everyone's wearing, all the guys wearing khakis and polos. I definitely did not fit in. She kind of did a little bit. There's some hipsters here and there.
I still felt like I didn't fit in.
Yeah, so that was awesome. And check out what the inside of this place looked like. Really cool.
My favorite.
And we're still walking, so that's definitely a plus.
Sign.
So we're walking on the pedestrian bridge from downtown over to East Side Nashville, and right across the way here, check this out. And right here, that is downtown Nashville. We're gonna walk home right now and freshen up, and this is gonna be pretty much our last night out. So
It is our last night.
it is our last night. I don't know if I want to get too screw it. We're probably gonna end up.
We didn't get too crazy last night. We went hard the first night, and I think that was our mistake. And last night we didn't really want to drink, so we didn't drink too much last night.
And I told her I didn't want to go get too carried away.
The first night, and he was the one who was like, I need a drink for this song, and so then he went and got a drink. No, I need a drink for this. No, we need another drink. He was the instigator.
Yeah. So that was my bad. But yeah, so we're gonna go back, freshen up, have our last night out. See you in a few. Or never mind. All right, we have made it back. I don't know about her, but I'm definitely feeling it right about now.
Yeah, I'm exhausted. But it's 10:45, so it's now time to go out. So now we're gonna hit the town, go find some moonshine, go get some dancing on.
Honestly, as soon as we landed, we got our luggage, and then she said, all right, where are we hitting up now? She's crazy. She still has moonshine in her system, so I think that's what has her going right now.
I had a lot of moonshine yesterday.
But going back to, so we left off walking down the pedestrian bridge. We went back, got dressed, and then we went back. We went to Rippy's Barbecue. Mm-hmm. Rippy's Barbecue. She had a really good dish. She got some like pulled chicken, smoked pulled chicken. I got smoked pulled pork, which I didn't really like. Apparently we were supposed to get the ribs, but being that we were out and about, I didn't want to get barbecue sauce over the beard. I probably should have just taken one for the team and did that so that we could have tried the ribs there. Nonetheless, amazing time. What did we do after that? Pretty much.
We stayed there and just danced and drank.
Oh no, we went to FGL house afterwards.
Oh, we went to FGL. That was.
She did some girl's hair on the dance floor. It was really weird.
I thought it was cool.
But all in all, really good trip. It was fun. I actually had a lot more fun than I initially anticipated.
That's good.
Yeah, and so now that we're back, we have 4 days. We have Monday, which is tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we take off to Iceland for 8 days. So yeah, a busy couple weeks.
I just want to sleep for a couple days.
So now we're going to drink some water, maybe have a little food, and we're going to go to bed.
Bodies.
Peace!
Bye.